Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back in our video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Joel Corry Lonely. So the final result will sound like this. So from the project file, make sure to get it at my Patreon. You will find it over there. Besides that, from the bassline preset, make sure to check Future Selection Form 3 and the preset pack find all the sounds you need to make this kind of style of house music. So now we're gonna dive in the bassline, sounding like this. So we have this piano step and this sub bass, but we're only gonna focusing on the main bass. So selecting a preset, we're gonna use this FFC wavetable and the digital section. So it's basically a modulated sound wave. Wavetable position just around here, 2 octaves down. Shape envelope 1 like this. Decay just a little bit down. Quite some release. Make sure to add mono to avoid overlapping notes. Then we're gonna add a second oscillator. It's gonna be a triangle wavetable. Put on 1 octave. And sample semitones to give a more harmonic feel to it. Then we're gonna filter them both together. With envelope 1 to the cutoff. And cutoff all the way down. As you can hear, this already gets a character of the bassline, so just need to put up the drive. Feathers as well. We're gonna add some punch to it. So with envelope 3 to the master pitch. Just like this. So now we're gonna dive into the effects. We're gonna start off with some tube distortion. Just on here. Then some OTT compression. With a gain around halfway. It's a bit too heavy right now, but it brings up the low frequencies quite a bit, so we're gonna filter it the same way as we did with the other filter. Just like this. Now we're gonna add some chorus to it. Just clear this. Kinda give some more character to the sound, so let's shape it properly. And mix it in, just like this. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add some delay and reverb to the top end of the sound. So make sure to enable the low cuts. And then we're gonna EQ the sound a little bit. Bass is a bit too much, so lower it down and just boost the highs a little bit. Just like this. Reverb a little bit down. So together all the sounds will sound like this. And that's how the Joel Corry kind of sounds. So if you like the video, please leave a like, to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.